past 7 years, the one thing you probably all know that I've been saying is you can only get them here. And the beautiful thing about Cannoli Brothers is that it's been a work of passion and love, and it's fed my spirit and my soul and allowed me to communicate with my community, Canberra, Queanbeyan, as well as bringing my children through the business. It's been a beautiful trip, but now it's time for Papa to move on. And rather than close the business and lose the brand and Canberra's well-loved Cannoli brand, I'd like to pass it on. I'd like to pass it on to someone who has some passion, that wants to get involved in the market scene and sees an opportunity. This is a good opportunity to make money in the market scene from day one. The price is right.
Look at me.
Give me a call. You might be interested to become a cannoli person yourself.
Yeah, good. Making PT clients while I'm selling cannoli.
That's good. I've got a red pen.
Hi, how you going?
Hello, how are you, brother? How are you? Thanks very much. Cheers, see you later. This is Cannoli Brothers. First day, Canberra Southside Farmers Market. What a lovely little market it is. And this is actually where the inspiration for Cannoli Brothers came, because I used to come every Saturday morning here, Sunday morning here, and I watched several players here, the Greek guys selling these Greek desserts, bombolini donuts. And I thought, what can I do? And then I met my Cannoli brother mate, Italian guy, the ugly one. He, so, buongiorno.
Buongiorno a tutti.
Buongiorno, calimera. We're here, we're the Cannoli Brothers. We do functions. We can cater for any functions. Weddings, parties, even Ferrari's 70th birthday party. Give us a call, 0421 049 737, and we'll do a function for you.
Grazie mille.
Grazie mille. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ.
How do they rate? If they're out of 10, I'd give them 25 at least. Is that fair? Bravo, grazie.
Can't beat all Italian style. Good food, good cars, and beautiful ladies.
And what about the wine?
And beautiful wine, yes. Australian wine.
And what about Canberra?
Absolutely gorgeous. Been here for 50 years, absolutely gorgeous.
50 years?
50, yes.
Oh, you're a Canberran.
Yes.
Sorry, Alex. He came back, we joined together after not seeing each other for 30 years from uni, and I said to him, come on, mate, all these people selling cakes, how do we do that? And we came up with the cannoli. And now, 6 months later, here we are, and we're very happy and we're loving it. All my life I've worked with my mind, and I've got to tell you, there's so much satisfaction in working with my hands. Buying flour, butter, eggs, making pastries and custards, creating beautiful desserts for people to eat, and then I sell them, and then I go home and I count my shekels. It's all done.
Yes, that's right. Well, I sampled the wares at the little market in Kingston on Friday evening.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yes. And you told me you'd be here. Something 50, wasn't it?
450.
So that's the go, is it? That's the one. Well, I haven't sampled them all, but I can certainly give that one a thumbs up.
Canberra, get outdoors and go for a walk. And then you can reward yourself with cannoli. The Canberra fresh cannoli. They are out of this world. So you can get our fresh cannoli on Saturday mornings and every Saturday morning at Capital Region Farmers Market at Epic. And any time by arrangement here at our Fishwick Kitchens where you're seeing me cooking today, just give me a ring. You can find our numbers on Facebook or PM me on Facebook and put an order in. Thanks. They say every cloud has a silver lining, and for us at Cannoli Brothers, it's our cannolis. They are out of this world. Put the dance back into your step at the Saturday markets at Epic, fresh from our Fishwick Kitchens. say, every cloud has a silver lining. And for us at Cannoli Brothers, it's our cannolis. They are out of this world. Put the dance back into your step at the Saturday markets at Epic, or fresh from our fishery kitchens.
Come and eat my cannoli.
As you say, this is the cannolis. So this is the production line.
That's the net result of what you guys did. Right? Yeah. I don't do that. The shell, yes. We have an authentic Italian pastry chef there. Look at him. Paolo.
It's good for the Italian, isn't it?
Have you met my brother Emmanuel? Paolo?
Sorry,
My brother, Cannoli.
your real brother.
My real brother.
Your real brother.
The younger brother.
The younger one, I was about to say. Exactly. Because Andrew, anyway, he doesn't keep it so well. Eh?
So what's the process?
Make the dough. Flour and wine, oil. Then we roll the dough in our pasta machine over there, which is what Paolo does. So he rolls it out like lasagna sheets. And then we cut it into discs. And in India, and this is what India and Thai are doing, they're rolling the discs onto the tubes. And then we deep fry them. And then we drain them, cool them, cure them, take them to market and sell them. I like to think of it a way that, you know, with my hands and everyone else's, we convert bags of flour and sugar into money, I guess. Money. And on the way, we create a lot of love and satisfied bellies. Because, yeah, that's what we do. Cannoli Brothers customers may recognise Paolo's hands as he serves them at Department Pizza, where he manages one of Canberra's finest pizza joints, don't he?
Best pizza shop.
He's the best pizza shop in Canberra.
And these cannolis are as good as those that we enjoy in Philly so much. They're really, really
Excellent
awesome.
cannoli.
Yeah.
So it's a dinky guy Italian cannoli in Philadelphia.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, that's right.
Yes.
There's
yes.
a big Italian population in Philadelphia.
Yes. And Termini is the bakery, the Italian bakery in Philadelphia.
South Philly.
South Philly that makes these cannolis. And awesome. Really well done.
These ones are hand done.
We noticed.
I'm wondering, can you tell the difference?
They feel the same to me.
Yeah, very similar.
Yeah.
What about the texture of the?
The dough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good, nice and crispy.
Nice and crispy, good flavor,
Yes.
and the fillings were very good.
Yes. Very generous fillings.
Yeah. Well done.
I've never had a real authentic cannoli, but I feel like I have today. The vanilla cream, excellent, and the tiramisu cannoli, fantastic.
You chose well.
Yeah.
You chose well.
You got the
I got the entire cabinet, so it's all a good
I
choice.
see you tried one of each.
Yeah.
Yeah, good, excellent.
And after 2 years of obstacles, Kingston's popular old bus depot markets have returned. Well, Kingston's old bus depot markets are a popular Sunday attraction for Canberrans, but those wanting to browse treasures of all kinds have had to wait. Smoke haze, hail, lead dust and the pandemic have kept the doors closed for 2 years. But today, stallholders and keen shoppers were back.
After 2 years sitting empty, today these halls sprang back to life. The former transport depot packed with people keen to see stalls they've missed, browse local wares, or snap up a gift or a treat for themselves.
We've been coming for many, many years, so yeah, pretty excited to hear that it's back open again.
With the crowds and that, and we're excited, haven't been here for a while.
Oh, just so you know, we're back at the new old bus depot markets. Come on down, because you know you can only get them here, and we're so happy to be back where we started. Thank you, Canberra.
And shopping local is a major draw card.
I haven't even set up properly this morning. I've been bombarded with customers excited that I'm back.
Today's reopening, the start of a new chapter in the market's history. Antoinette Radford, ABC News, Canberra.
So what's happening?
That's a filet. Oh, hang on.
Is that Italian?
Buenas noches. No. I forgot. It's all the blue and white. I'm supposed to be Italian, not Greek. Anyway, Greeks invented cannoli. Just all you Italians, just so you know that. Greeks invented that and Windex.
How's it going?
Steady. Hey, Cheryl. How are you, darling?
I have not had one of these before.
Oh,
I'm coming in.
Okay, go.
You're bold.
Do you have any dietary requirements?
No.
Good. Pistachio's my favourite. Tiramisu's pretty good.
I think I'll go your recommendation.
Come on up, young fella.
Hey mate, how are you?
How are you?
Can I get one of each, I think? One of each? One of them, one of the chocolate ones, and one of the silver. Okay, so vanilla and chocolate. Yes, please, yeah.
I love them.
When you see the most beautiful sight, so beautiful, so beautiful.
What a beautiful team we got here.
That, yeah, would have been great.
So who we got here? Jackson who?
Lukovic.
So you're a little cannoli Jackson, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. How long have you been doing it?
How long? A few months.
A few months? Yeah,
3 months. 4 months.
So, what's
Wait, come on up.
What's Mr. Cannoli like?
He's good. Yeah.
What's good about him?
Just a lovely man.
What have you learned from him?
Everything.
Yeah. Yeah. Anything else?
I would start putting, have 20 stacks. Probably take the front ones to 15s if you want, move them to the back, put a big stack at the front. I've just ordered some souvlaki, so it's going to take a while.
Is this your A team?
This is the 18.
Yeah.
Yep. This is the blood.
The blood team, huh?
This is the blood team.
The tent looks amazing, doesn't it? You've got to say you've done well on this. How much have you done?
Still looking? Yeah, we'll order one. Let's go. This beautiful young woman is ready to serve you. Let's get on.
6 out of our 7 years, I've done the Queanbeyan Multicultural Festival, the Queanbeyan Colouring Council, wonderful group of people, one of the most supportive councils I've ever worked with. They run a great show, they're kind people, they're considerate, and they look after us. Good on you, keep QPRC. Well done, thanks for everything. Queanbeyan's a wonderful place, you know. The people in Queanbeyan have always appreciated us no matter what event we do in Queanbeyan, whether it's Music by the Lake, Multicultural Festival, any number of other events, the Italian Car Festival. Queanbeyan people come out and support. Really appreciate you all, and you know, there's often a lot of Isn't that good?